Today's physics question paper, CBSE 12th grade. Obtain an expression for the one done to dissociate the system of three charges q minus 4q and 2q are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So you have an equilateral triangle and the system is formed like this: q minus 4q and 2q. To dissociate the system, how much energy is to be supplied to the system? That's a question. Very easy question. Within seconds we can finish this question. Okay, how much energy we need to put in the system to dissociate the system? Okay, it's a very easy question. So how to do this question? First of all, we should understand how much energy is required to make this system. To make this system, how much energy is required? That is the potential energy of the system. Potential energy of the system, how can we measure the potential of the system? K into charge by distance. So let's learn the energy required to this, form these two charges, then these two charges, then these two charges. So the total energy required to make this system is K into Q1, Q2 by this distance plus K into Q1, Q2 by this distance plus K into Q1, Q2 by this distance. Suppose let me take this distance is A. I mean this is an equilateral triangle whose, okay, let's take the distance of this equilateral triangle of one side as A. Then the total energy here, this is let's consider the total energy required to make the system. So how much energy is required to bring these two charges here, here and here? Find the potential energy between this and this, this and this, and this and this, and add them. Okay, so potential energy of the system is K into this, Q into minus 4Q divided by the distance A plus this one, the energy required to form this system, K into minus 4Q into 2Q by A plus the energy that is needed to make these two charges here, K into Q into 2Q divided by A. That is, everywhere K by A is constant. So K by A into Q into minus Q minus 4Q square plus minus 4Q into 2Q, that's minus 8Q square plus, that is what I say, Q into 2Q, that is 2Q square. That's equal to K by A into minus 4Q square minus 8Q square, that's minus 12Q square plus 2 square, that is minus 10Q square. That is equal to minus K into 10Q square by A. That is equal to minus, put the value of K, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 10Q square by A. This is the energy already we have put to make the system. So to dissociate the system, how much energy is to be given? Its plus value. If this much negative energy is required to make the system, means to dissociate the system, we need to give this much energy positively. When you give this much energy positively to the system, what happens? All the charges will go to infinity. So the energy required is, for dissociating the system, the required energy is plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 10Q square over A or by A. Thank you.